Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome to the channel, and if you're new, consider subscribing to the Dream Car Driving family, where we are not just about what you drive, but it's about the experience behind the wheel that makes it a dream car driving experience. Today I want to thank Lilliston of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram for letting me check out one of their flagship models today. It's a 2020 Dodge Challenger RT manual. The Challenger is a modern-day muscle car that evokes the muscle cars of the 1970s. Equipped with a front splitter, not only for looks but to increase aerodynamics, the Challenger truly has an aggressive presence. Moving on to the rear, you have symmetry with the tail lights and dual exhaust tips. Now let's drive some muscle Americana. Right off the bat, the steering is nice and stiff, nicely bolstered in the 9 and 3 position. Yeah, the steering is very responsive around this turn. For sure, you kind of feel like you're in a sedan because how much space is in this vehicle, but that's not a bad thing. The car is low, but you don't feel like it's low, so it's not going to be a hassle getting in and out of this Challenger whatsoever, versus the other sports cars that are on the market that it's a backbreaker getting in and out. This one, you're not going to have a problem whatsoever. Not only is this V8 intoxicating, but it's powered by a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, producing 375 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. The power is being pushed by an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission, in which we have right here today. I can't convey to you how intoxicating the sound is. It just brings the vehicle more to life. I would definitely recommend this 2020 Challenger RT to someone who doesn't want to break the bank. And if you don't know how much this RT costs, it'll be in the description below. Tell them Tony sent you.